Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be filming a really fun video. We're going to be doing a hair tutorial. I got this for Christmas. This is the Infinity Pro by Conair. This is the Rainbow Titanium Curling Wand. This is actually in a 1/4 inch curling iron, and this is just for loose waves, easy glide surface, anti-frizzing protection. It actually heats up to 400 degrees and comes with a thermal glove that you can use so you don't burn your hands if you're not used to working with hot tools. So if you want to see how I created these beautiful curls, make sure to keep on watching, and let's just jump right into this video. Alright, so to start out this video, we're just going to be brushing our hair. This is just a paddle brush from the brand Goody. Then I'm going to be going into one of my favorite anti-frizzing creams. This one is from Conair Rainbow. This is just a smooth blow dry cream. It just helps make your hair nice and smooth, shiny. And then it gets rid of the frizz, which with my wavy hair, I tend to get a lot of frizz. So I'm just going to be running this through my hair. I use about a dime size of it. Not too much, just because I don't want my hair to be weighed down with the curls. And then I'm going to be going in with this new thermal spray. So this is from Tresemme. It's just their thermal creations. This is for a flat iron, but I just went ahead and used it anyway. So this does the same thing, tames frizz, smooths hair. That way your hair looks nice and sleek. And I just used a little bit of this. If you use too much of it, it's kind of like an oil base. So try not to use too much of that or direct it in one area too long. So now I'm just going to be blow drying my hair. I just kind of use the brush to blow it out like that, as you can see, and then I'm just run down my hair slowly. I try not to keep the blow dryer in one area because it'll get too hot on the scalp or it could burn your hair. So I'm just going to go ahead and dry my hair until I feel like it is dry enough. So today we're going to be using the Conair Infinity Pro. This is the Rainbow Titanium Wand. I got this from Ulta for $29.99. And then you can always go online and see if they have any coupon codes that you guys can use. So basically this just helps reduce damage, eliminates frizz, and adds shine. I really enjoyed this curling wand. The curls lasted for about 3 days, and I've used it several times since filming this video. So what I'm just doing is I'm going to be splitting up my hair into 2 different sections. I'm going to start curling clockwise and counterclockwise, alternating back and forth. That way the curls don't clump together. And yeah, so I really enjoyed using the curling wand. If you're having troubles with your curls not lasting, you can always hold it in your hand until they start to cool off. That helps a lot. But I'm just going to go ahead and go back and forth between the two. And then I apologize, I keep looking at the TV because I was watching Netflix and I didn't think it'd be that noticeable, but it is. So there's that. But I'm gonna go ahead and start fast forwarding the clips. That way it doesn't take forever because it's pretty repetitive, just going back and forth. You can see the shine in my hair after it's been curled. So I'm just gonna keep doing that until I go. I'm ready to do the second half of my hair. which is the top part and where my hair parts. So I'm just going to be doing the same exact thing, going counterclockwise and clockwise. I haven't added any hairspray to my hair yet, just because I want the curls to be not so tight and I want them to be loose and look as natural as possible. Which my hair is already wavy, but this kind of helps tame the frizz and make the curls a little bit more defined. So I'm just going to keep going back and forth and just making sure everything looks nice and curled. And if anything, if we lose or forget any strands, we'll just get them later when we check through the hair and make sure that everything's nice and curled. Alright, so we are almost done. My arms were literally killing me. We are finishing up around the face. We're just going to be framing the face with the curls, making sure that they're going out. That way the curls don't cover up your face or fall on your face. But we're just going to keep doing that. And then we're going to add a little hairspray at the end before, after we touch up and make sure we've gotten all our curls. So I'm just going to go ahead and start bouncing my hair around, make sure everything is nice and loose, part my hair the way I want it, and then I'm going to go back in, see which pieces need to be touched up or may have lost their curl, and then I'll go ahead and touch it up and make sure to set it with a little bit of hairspray. That'll make sure that everything stays intact all day. This is just the Herbal Essence. This is the 24-hour one. This is in the number 4, so this is the strongest hairspray that they have in that line. So I'm just going to be using that, just coating the hair, make sure it's all nice and set. Alright guys, that is the end of today's tutorial. I hope you enjoyed the look that we created. Get some beautiful waves. Yeah. If you guys want to see more hair tutorials, definitely give this video a thumbs up. Leave some suggestions down in the comment section on some hairstyles that you guys would like to see. Yeah. Don't forget to check out my previous video. Remember, you guys are beautiful, and I will see you in my next video.